Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord. Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord. I will sing of the loving kindness of the Lord forever. With my mouth I will proclaim your faithfulness to all generations. I indeed declare that stands firm forever. You establish the heavens, your faithfulness is in them. Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord. I have made my covenant with my chosen one. I have sworn to David my servant, I will establish your seed forever and build up your thrones to all generations. Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord. He will call to me, you are my Father, my God, and the rock of my salvation. I will keep my loving kindness for him forevermore. My covenant will stand firm with him. Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord. Forever I will sing